If you're looking for a business role with strong career growth, I've got two opportunities from brands you've definitely heard of. The best part? Both offer competitive salaries and are open to early career professionals. First up is AY, hiring for the role of business consultant. If you're from a BCom, BTech in computer science, or MBA background and enjoy solving business and financial problems, this role could be a great fit. You'll work on financial analysis, business strategy, forecasting, and client consulting. The estimated salary ranges from 7 lakh to 12.6 lakh rupees per annum, and it's suitable for candidates with up to 3 years of experience. The second opportunity is with Urban Company, hiring for the role of Central Category Manager. If you're someone who enjoys analytics, business strategy, and solving real-world problems, you'll work closely with marketing, product, and technology teams to drive category growth. The estimated salary is between 8.9 lakh and 9.9 lakh rupees per annum. Candidates with 6 months to 2.5 years of experience and skills like Excel or SQL should definitely check this out. Both of these roles are excellent if you're looking to build a career in consulting, business strategy, or analytics. You'll find the application links on Unstop in the description. And let me know in the comments, which role would you choose?